Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing another version of Dunkin' Donut new summer lineup. And today it's going to be the PB&J iced latte. Now they made theirs, I think, with strawberry sauce. I'm gonna be using regular grape jelly. First I have peanut butter, grape jello, as well as the regular grape jelly. My 2 instant coffees, and I also have coffee ice, salt, heavy whipping cream, regular whole milk, a combination of powdered sugar and brown sugar. If you have dark, it don't really matter. Yeah, so that's about it, y'all. I'm gonna get started. Okay, this is the cup I will be using. I'm gonna get my peanut butter, just put it on my spoon. I'm gonna coat the inside of it. Now I'm gonna brush the rim with peanut butter. Alright, this is how I look on top. Okay, I got my grape powder, and I want to rim half of the cup, because one half gonna be peanut butter, and the other half gonna be with jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Well, you can't really even tell that it's purple. I don't know. I did this, girl. I'm gonna paint it over with the regular jelly. You ain't stopping that. But one thing about it, I'm always gonna be creative and come up with something else. What you were saying about being coming up? I'm still gonna come up with something else. It felt more on the inside than going around out. It is what it is. Put that to the side. Okay, I'm gonna use this to put everything together. I'm gonna put my 2 instant coffees in here. A little bit of salt. I'm gonna put like 2 tablespoons of the peanut butter. Because I made to put everything in the food processor. I'm gonna put the milk in here and shake it up. It's in the food processor. And I'm gonna put like 2 tablespoons of the peanut butter. It's like a lot because it is, but it's gonna equal to 2. Probably a tablespoon of brown sugar. The 1 tablespoon for the powdered sugar. So yeah, I'm gonna take this and then go ahead and blend it up. Alright, I went ahead and blended it. Put it in here for right now, back in here. Alright, make the cold form real quick. I'm put like a teaspoon of the jelly. And I still have some in here. The grape powder. Hopefully sweet enough. Alright, this is how I look. I do want to be just a tad bit darker in color. How you do this stuff, y'all. Put another teaspoon of the grape powder. I just want to put like another teaspoon of the jelly. Alright. Got a little dark in color. Not much. Just a little bit too. Oh yeah, I forgot the salt. I know it was good, but something about this salt. That's it. I already put my coffee ice in here. Now I'm gonna pour my coffee. Put the cold foam in here. Get to it like this first. I can already tell you now, baby. Before I get into it, this straw. The bottom tastes like peanut butter, and then slurped up with that foam. It's giving peanut butter and jelly in the cup. It is. And then that brown sugar and the powdered sugar brings a great combination. It still tastes better than peanut butter, but it's sweet to my liking. Now some people might just want to taste the straight peanut butter, like Skippy's already sweet. Like, why would you have to put sugar? Lord, tell them. Because I say they new to my channel. I like it sweet like me. It is. This is good. I don't know how Dunkin tastes. Probably tastes just as good. I'm not telling you to stray away from them at all. Cause they gotta get their coins too. But when you at the crib, make this and rate this. Delicioso. It's gonna be a 10. 10 out there, baby. I know some people like who's into my channel like, and 10 the highest? No, it's 11 with me. So it's a 10. 10 out there, baby. Like I said. Yeah, let's say.